Hello and welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. Today I'm doing part 12 in the series where I show you the gear that I use when I go out and do live shows. But before I begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, and please comment. It really helps me out a great deal. Thank you. Now, have you ever been playing a gig and everything's going great, you got the floor monitors at a relatively nice, decent level, and all of a sudden you hit that one note, preferably it's the ones on the top, and all of a sudden you get this really nasty feedback. Well, it happens to me all the time, especially when I have the capo on the first or second fret. If I have it open like this, I got no problems, but the minute I put a capo on there, all of a sudden I hit that top chord and boom, feedback. Alright, and I'm going to show you. But this is what I got, and I wish I'd seen it sooner. It's from D'Addario. It's called Screeching Halt Feedback Suppressor. Alright? It's just a rubber little disc that you put in the hole of your guitar. And it eliminates feedback. I was a little skeptical at first because I'm thinking, man, how's this going to help suppress the feedback? Well, it does. Trust me. I wish I had seen this earlier. Now, I found it by accident at Heids when I was looking through there and I saw it. I'm like, you know what, I'm going to try it. And believe me, it works. So, like I said, when you get it out of the cardboard wrapper here, it's a rubber, it's made out of rubber, so it's a little stiff. So you kind of got to flex it a little bit. And like I said, this part, I have one right here. And if you can see, I'll bring it up here. Right here, there's a little cutout. You see that where it's cut? That's going to go towards your strings. Just like that. Alright? You bring it in through the top and then just kind of snug it in. It fits really tight, but it fits. Alright? So, we're going to show you what it's like without it and with it. Turn the guitar on here. You're doing good like that. Playing. You already hear the feedback already. Okay, you don't want that. You don't want that feedback. And that happens to me sometimes. I'm sitting there playing. And I have to kind of stop it a little bit, or I have to soften it. Don't like that. Don't like that. And people can hear it out there and they're kind of wondering what the hell's going on. Now, we're going to put the feedback suppressor in there and we'll show you how it sounds. Turn the guitar off here. Now, like I said, this little piece here that's cut is going to go towards the strings. Takes a little finagling. You get it in there like that. Boom. Alright, now it's in. Now we're going to try it again. No feedback. None. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Usually when I play at the casinos, it's in an enclosed area. So you have all that sound just bouncing everywhere. And it just feeds back like like you wouldn't believe. Now, but I put it in there, now I can enjoy the shows, I can play louder, I can have the monitor right next to me, I can hear myself, and I don't have to worry about it feeding back anymore. Alright? So, if you're having problems with feedback, get this feedback suppressor. I mean, it really works. You saw it right here. You can hear the feedback without it, and then with it, there's no feedback. It's awesome. Alright? So, this Screeching Halt Feedback Suppressor from D'Addario. I'll leave the links below in the description if you want to get one. If you shop online, I'll leave the links there. And please visit your local music stores. Support the local music stores and support local music too. If you have friends that are in bands, go watch them. All right? All right, so for Jason's Acoustic Workshop, I'm Jason. You take care of yourselves, you practice at least an hour a day, and I'll see you in part 13.